What is a product roadmap and how to conduct it? In the fast-paced world of product development, a product roadmap serves as a crucial tool for aligning teams, managing expectations, and guiding the direction of a product. It provides a visual representation of the product strategy and outlines the steps needed to achieve product goals. In this blog post, we'll explore what a product roadmap is, its importance, and how to effectively conduct and maintain one. What is a product roadmap? A product roadmap is a high-level visual summary that maps out the vision, direction, and progress of a product over time. It serves as a strategic document that communicates the what and when of product development, detailing key milestones, features, and timelines. Key elements of a product roadmap include goals and objectives, clear, measurable goals that the product aims to achieve, initiatives and features, specific projects, features, or enhancements that will help accomplish the goals. Timeline, a schedule that outlines when different phases of the product will be developed and launched. Stakeholders, identification of key stakeholders involved in the product's development and their roles. The importance of a product roadmap. 1. Alignment across teams. A well-structured roadmap fosters alignment among cross-functional teams, ensuring that everyone is working toward the same goals and understanding the priorities. 2. Transparency and communication. The roadmap provides a clear communication tool for stakeholders, helping them understand what's being built, why it matters, and when they can expect new features or updates. 3. Prioritization of work. A product roadmap helps teams prioritize initiatives and features based on business value, customer needs, and strategic goals, enabling effective resource allocation. 4. Adaptability and flexibility. While a roadmap outlines the intended direction, it can be adjusted as new information arises or priorities shift, allowing teams to remain agile and responsive to changes in the market. 5. Tracking progress. A roadmap serves as a tracking tool, allowing teams to monitor progress against goals and timelines, ensuring accountability and momentum. How to conduct an effective product roadmap. 1. Define your vision and goals. Start by clarifying the product vision and strategic goals. What do you want to achieve in the short and long term? Engage with stakeholders to ensure alignment on the product's direction. 2. Gather input from stakeholders. Collect insights from various stakeholders, including customers, sales teams, marketing, and support. This helps ensure that the roadmap reflects the needs and priorities of all relevant parties. 3. Identify key initiatives and features based on your goals and stakeholder input. Identify the key initiatives and features that will drive the product forward. Prioritize these items based on factors like customer impact, business value, and technical feasibility. 4. Establish a timeline. Create a timeline that outlines when you plan to work on each initiative or feature. Use a realistic approach to account for development cycles, dependencies, and potential roadblocks. Consider using time frames like quarters or sprints for more granularity. 5. Choose the right format. Decide on the format of your roadmap. Common formats include Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or simple tables. Choose one that best suits your team's needs and allows for easy updates and communication. 6. Communicate the roadmap. Share the product roadmap with all relevant stakeholders. Clearly explain the rationale behind the chosen initiatives, timelines, and priorities. This transparency fosters buy-in and encourages collaboration. 7. Review and revise regularly. A product roadmap is a living document that should be revisited regularly. Schedule periodic reviews to assess progress, gather feedback, and make necessary adjustments based on changes in market conditions or company priorities. 8. Track progress and celebrate milestones. Use the roadmap to track progress against goals and timelines. Celebrate achievements and milestones to maintain team motivation and engagement. This also reinforces accountability and demonstrates the value of the roadmap. 9. Adapt to change. Be prepared to adapt your roadmap as needed. Market dynamics, customer feedback, and business goals can change, requiring you to pivot and realign your priorities. Flexibility is key to maintaining relevance. 10. Incorporate feedback. Actively seek feedback from your team and stakeholders about the roadmap. Understand what's working, what isn't, and how it can be improved. This iterative approach helps refine the roadmap over time. Conclusion. A well-crafted product roadmap is an essential tool for successful product management. It provides clarity and direction, ensuring that teams are aligned and focused on achieving their goals. By following the steps outlined in this post, you can create and maintain an effective product roadmap that adapts to changing circumstances and drives your product's success. In a world where agility and responsiveness are crucial, a robust product roadmap not only helps you plan, but also empowers you to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Whether you're launching a new product or iterating on an existing one, investing time in developing a thoughtful roadmap will pay dividends in the long run.